Every individual has that one hobby or passion that ignites their spirit, a beacon of creativity during free time. For many, this passion remains a delightful pastime. However, for some, it evolves into a thriving career. My journey exemplifies how a simple interest transferred into a full-fledged profession, a story of transformation and determination. In the beginning, there was no pressure or expectation. It was merely an indulgence. Hours melted away as I immersed myself in my craft, driven solely by the joy it brought me. Each moment spent honing my skills bubbled with excitement and discovery. Encouragement came in waves from friends and family. They loved what I created and urged me to keep going. Their relentless support bolstered my confidence to explore this newfound path further. Setting clear goals was my North Star. I mapped out aspirations over 6 months and a year ahead, converting my hobby into an actionable project. Structure became essential, transforming spontaneous creativity into a disciplined practice. I established a routine devoted solely to improvement, allowing my talent to flourish like a blossoming flower. Alongside this newfound structure, I delved deep into the industry. Analyzing career trajectories of others illuminated knowledge essential for my growth. Education became my ally. I thirsted for information through online courses and research, learning about market trends and consumer preferences. Every page read and every video watched sharpened my understanding. Networking was an invaluable facet of this journey. Surrounding myself with like-minded individuals and industry veterans nurtured my ambition. Social media groups and local gatherings became fertile grounds for mentorship, fostering connections that shaped my direction. Sharing my work with the public was monumental. Crafting an online portfolio and harnessing social platforms opened doors I had only dreamed of. Gradually, recognition blossomed as my creations reached a broader audience. Small projects trickled in, paving the way for growth. Simultaneously, I cultivated my business acumen, expanding beyond my artistic skill set to include client communication and financial management, both crucial to turning my passion into profit. The road, however, was laden with challenges. Moments of self-doubt struck as setbacks loomed large. Yet, each obstacle was a stepping stone, a lesson to be learned rather than a hurdle to shun. Today, my hobby has transformed into a lucrative career that feeds my soul. I relish every day spent doing what I love, a journey that required grit and perseverance. For anyone seeking to intertwine their passion with a profession, I suggest starting modestly, practicing diligently, and fostering connections. With unwavering belief and methodical effort, dreams can materialize. So embrace your hobby. It may hold the key to your future.